Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an acorn lamp in CRK Easy Guide. Prep your materials and clear a safe workspace before you begin drilling. Start by selecting acorns with sturdy caps and sorting them by size for consistent lamp heads. Measure and mark drilling centers, then gently drill straight holes to fit LED wiring. Keep glue, pliers, and spare caps handy for repairs during assembly. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent after garage time. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, practical videos. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for your convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Identify the jacking points clearly to avoid damaging the Audi A4. Use the reinforced pinch welds near the wheels as primary lift points and avoid suspension components, the oil pan, and plastic trim. Position the jack saddle squarely under the pinch weld. Lift slowly until the wheel clears the ground, then immediately set jack stands on recommended support points before doing any work.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.